Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Leviton for Wi-Fi dimmer setup, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure that your Wi-Fi dimmer is properly installed and powered on. Open your smartphone or tablet and locate the Leviton app in your app store. If you don't have the app, download and install it on your device. Once installed, tap to open the Leviton app. You will be greeted with a welcome screen prompting you to log in or create an account. Select the option to create a new account if you do not have one. Enter your email address and create a strong password. Make sure to choose a password you can remember, as you'll need it to access your account later. After filling in this information, agree to the terms and conditions. Tap the registration button to proceed. Check your email for a confirmation message from Leviton. Open the email and click the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the Leviton app. Log in using the email and password you just created. After logging in, follow the prompts to add a new device. Select the option for Wi-Fi dimmer setup. The app will instruct you to connect your smartphone to the dimmer's temporary Wi-Fi network. Go to your device's Wi-Fi settings and find the dimmer's network name. Connect to that network, then return to the Leviton app. Once connected, the app will prompt you to enter your home Wi-Fi network details. Type in the Wi-Fi network name and password. Confirm the settings, and the app will begin connecting your dimmer to your home network. Wait for the connection process to complete. This may take a moment. Once connected, you will receive a confirmation message in the app. You can now customize the settings and access all features of your Wi-Fi dimmer. Lastly, test the dimmer to ensure it responds as expected with your commands. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Leviton and set up your Wi-Fi dimmer. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.